Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TrungX. This is our studio's trash bin. Let's see how we'll use the waste to create a diorama of Choo Choo Charles and Skibidi toilet. Firstly, I will make Choo Choo Charles. The train carriage will be made by cutting the plastic bottles. I'll cut the formex sheets and use super glue to seal the ends of the plastic tubes I just cut. How can I miss making the smokestack? It's essential for every train. I will use some formex pieces to keep it still and make a base to place them on. Now, I'm going to create a few wheels. Although I'm not sure if they can be called wheels. Oh, this plastic lid polymer clay is perfect for making Choo Choo Charles's face. First, I'll hollow out this clay section. Then here go the lip. Do you think that this sexy lip makes him look better? Next is the eyes, and too cute. Or maybe scary, round eyeballs. These are some sharp teeth. I'm really impressed with Choo Choo Charles's teeth. What about you guys? We're creating a train with a scary face and spider legs. These legs are made of steel wire and then covered in a layer of polymer clay. Making these spider legs isn't difficult at all, and I think many of you can create them, possibly even better than I did. Please share your polymer clay creations with us. I used an airbrush to paint his scary face. What do you guys think? Impressive? For smaller details, I used smaller brushes and acrylic paint. Antique and vintage is the vibe I want to create for the train carriage. We need a light bulb here, so I had to drill a hole in the box and insert a 5V LED light. It's time to create two unlucky cameramen. My idea is to depict Choo Choo Charles and Skibidi toilet overpowering a few cameramen and taking them away. The two cameramen will be placed behind Skibidi toilet, so I'll make them a bit smaller. Here's the face of the unlucky cameraman. Oh, he looks really pitiful. Next up is Skibidi Toilet. Are you still following my channel? I'm just a hobbyist YouTuber. So my videos may not be too fancy in terms of shooting and editing, but I still hope you'll support my work. Please leave your feedback in the comments section below. Thanks a lot. I want to portray a face that is both overwhelmed and somewhat pitiful as it gets zoomed away by Choo Choo Charles at breakneck speed on the rugged road. Can you feel that? Now let's assemble them all together, shall we? It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Finally, the base. It will include a section of railway tracks, sand, rocks, grass, and bushes. The base will be made from thick formex sheets. I'll create a rugged terrain with plaster. Wooden sticks will be used to make the railway tracks. I'm brushing a layer of white glue onto the plaster so the sand can adhere securely. Do you think I look like Salt Bae? It's unfortunate that I forgot to film it while making the grass from the paintbrush bristles. I'll recreate that in the next diorama. We've reached the end of this journey. It's time for the showcase.